Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find a destination on the My Audi application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this map icon down below, which is the third option. Then you should enter your destination, so tap on this bar at the top of the screen, and after that you should type in your destination. Select it from the list and then you can find it here on the map. And here you can check out the pictures attached. You can zoom in and out, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.